Okay, once you log in, you should be logged straight into the overview for your project. So all we're going to do is just kind of see some of the features and learn to navigate around this dashboard. So you've got a summary here for your entire project. How many instances, how many virtual machines you can have. We've used 0 out of 2, so this project is limited to 2 instances. How many virtual CPUs, how much memory in terms of RAM. Volumes refer to your essentially the equivalent of a hard drive, so storage volumes. And how much storage you have. For this, we've got a limit of 100 gig. Okay. Now you'll notice for network, we've actually got some usage already. We've used 2 of 12 security groups, 7 of 20 security group rules, and we've actually got 1 network used as well. Let me just say. Okay, let's see how we navigate around the actual dashboard. At the top here, you'll see that this lists this drop-down menu lists your project. At the moment, there's only 1 project because it's a training project. But if you have more than 1 project allocation on Nimbus, you can change between them from here. You'll also see this is who you are. Okay, you can sign in, sign out from here. You can do things like download the authentication if you want to actually use the OpenStack API. That's kind of more advanced. The main way you navigate around is over here on the left. Okay, so you can click various panels. Under compute, we've got overview, instances. So this will show you how many instances you currently have. Obviously, at the moment, we don't have any, so there's no information, but we'll be using this later. Key pairs. Key pairs are to do with authentication. We'll be doing that in the next episode. You will also have things like under network. You can do security groups. Security groups, once again, we'll discuss that. So you have 2 security groups by default. Good thing to know is don't be afraid of actually just playing with the dashboard. There isn't anything, as far as I know, that you can break so badly that we can't fix it. Okay, jolly good. Anybody have an idea as to an answer for the question about why this already you're already using some of your quota, despite the fact that you haven't actually created anything yet? So
I guess I can't answer because I work for Pawsey.
No, you can't answer.
It's because you need to be able to communicate with your instance remotely, so that's why there's 1 network allocation and a couple of ports. Yep.
And you, as you saw, I mean, you'll see that there's security groups. If we go click on network and then click on security groups, you can see there's a default security group that's set up by our cloud admins by default, and that one shouldn't be changed. Okay, and that's essentially providing you with the minimum functionality so that when you create an instance, it actually works. And then we also discussed, remember that you've got SSH access. So they also create a default security group rule for that.